I'm going to put alignment dots on the ferrules. So right there on the black thread, I'm going to put alignment dots on each side. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Okay, so I'm all prepped to put the alignment dots on, and I've reassembled the rod to make sure all the guides are lined up, and that's kind of important. So I have it exactly the way it should be assembled. So I use ink. All right, so I'm using a Speedball acrylic ink. I use this for inscriptions too. I like it. I sometimes add a little black to it. Sometimes the white is a little too white. I did try to, I have used this before and it works great. In fact, I mixed up some colors to try to match the, I mean, this is just acrylic paint. You can use it just as you would the ink. And I mixed some up trying to match the salsa color of the blank. And I just couldn't do it. So I'm going with white. And so I've put a little white ink in here. And I'm going to apply it with this fancy tool. It's a toothpick. So that I'm going to go ahead and trim a little bit of that point off. So I'm going to do that now. If you can see that out of focus. All right, so and just rub it onto a hard surface, kind of flatten it out. Now I'm going to just do a test, see if that's what I want. Yeah. Okay. So just a little bit in there. Now I'm keeping some alcohol and a shop towel handy to wipe any off if I mess it up, which could happen. There we go. That's how I do it. Now, just going to let those dry for probably a couple hours. Those came out okay. So I'm going to let that sort of dry. Those will be, I mean, you can put the finish right over it. You don't have to do anything else. And heat up the shop, and then we'll put the final coat on. I'm going to go ahead and use this tape that's down here on my bench to put some test dots in. When those are dry, I know that the alignment dots are dry enough to finish.